Today we will discuss about the Newton-Raphson method. So if we are given an initial guess of xi here, and if this point has a slope which is the derivative, and if we are going to extend this line and it will cross the x-axis, this line, it will represent our approximate root for our function xi plus 1. So if we are going to get this point, we are going to find the derivative of the function f prime x of xi, which is equal to the difference between the f of xi minus 0 over xi minus xi plus 1. Now, getting the value of xi plus 1, which is our approximated root, we will have xi minus f of xi over f prime x of I. Now, we are going to have an example. Estimate the root of f of x equal to e raised to negative x minus 2x with an initial guess of x sub 0 is equal to 0. The true value is 0.3517. Now, for our first iteration, if we are going to substitute our initial guess in our formula, we will be having an approximate root of 1/3. And if we are going to get that relative error, the relative error is 100%. Now, our initial guess for the next iteration will be 1/3. And if we are going to substitute the value, we will have 0.351689, which has an relative error of 0.0284%. Now, if we are going to continue the iteration, we will get the value 0.3517, which has a relative error of 0%. That's how Newton-Raphson method works.